Right, what's the first instruction?
500, caution, slippy for 500 meters, right 3, small cut. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 500, caution, slippy for 500 meters, right 3, small cut into. Right 3, small cut into left 2. Into left 2, 100. Left 2, 80. Crest and 40, right 2, 80. So right 2 and 80, right 4, slippy. 20, crest and right 6, cautious slipping into left 8, into left 8, 300, right 3 half cut, left 2 small cut, so left 2 small cut and 80, right 3 dump cut, 40, left 2 and 150, 150, right 2 small cut, 60, right 6 dump cut, 40, left 3 and 60, turn open hairpin left, 60, turn open hairpin left, and right 3, 60, turn right 7 loose, turn right 7 loose and 60, dip straight 100, turn right 9, turn right 9, and 60 left 2, 20 turn left 9, 60 left 2 and 20 turn left 9, and 250, keep it, turn right 8, so keep it, turn right 8, and 20, left 2, 20, right 2 opens, right 2 opens and 120, keep it, up, 100, keep it, up, 100, left 1, right 2, 60, 60, slowing left 3, crest and turn left 9, cautious slippy, turn left 9 and 200, left 1, cautious slippy, 80, so left 1 cautious slippy and 80, left 1, 100, left 1, 100, right 1 and 150, right 1 and 200, turn open left 9, so right 1 and 200, turn open left 9, and 200, fast right 3, 60, fast right 3 and 60, left 3, 60, turn left 9, 100, open right 9, 20 left 7, open right 9 and 20 left 7, 100, 100, turn right 9, 40, left 2, 100, left 2, and cautious slipping for 200 meters, turn left 5, so left 2, and cautious slipping for 200 meters, turn left 5, flying finish. Turn left 5 and flying finish.